The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows an incident that happened within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. You see me? And you know, these pieces of videos shows an incident where it is said that a man had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. You see me? Now, in my point of view, you know, these pieces of videos that are circulating on social media about the incident seems to be from the same video. But however, you know, that's how I saw it, so I'm telling you like it is, isn't it? Now, many comments have been made about these pieces of videos as how I saw them on social media, you know, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the man had been arrested by the police within Trinidad and Tobago because the person was not wearing any mask, you know, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the man had been arrested because the man was not complying with the police officer's request. You understand? And you know, other things had been said as well. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested by the police within Trinidad and Tobago, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when the incident happened. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Trinidad and Tobago this incident happened. But however, the incident is being talked about on social media and pieces of videos are circulating about the incident on social media. So I'm putting together pieces of videos that I saw and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at these pieces of videos. You can also tell me what you think and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. All right. Now, as I'm about to present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Put on your mask. Failing to comply with the lawful instructions of police officer is an offense. Put on your mask. You want me? Put on your mask. Right? Wait. Stop being on me now. Put on your mask. Let's get tired. Don't touch. Go ahead. Yeah. Don't touch. Don't touch me. Look, man. Look, man. Hey, wait, turn around. Hey, turn around, y'all. Hey, wait. What's on? Go for it, boy. Go for me. I will tease you, right? Hey. I will tease you, right? You feel this? Put your hands up on them. Hey, don't move because I will tase you. Big man, I will tase you. Do not move. Right? Do not move. Big man, put your hands behind your back. Do not move.
Adesso non si vede il titolo a carica.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and I've said this before in other videos, and the thing I want to point out is that, whenever you find yourself in a situation where police is asking you to do something, comply. You understand? I am going to say this just like how I said it in other videos. I understand that sometimes the situation is embarrassing. You understand? Because look at it now. As a big grown man or a big grown woman, to hear someone telling you that you must stop and you mustn't do this and you mustn't do that, you might feel a way about it, and I get that. You understand me? But at the same time, we live in a world with a system that gives some persons authority to carry out an act and a duty for a thing that is known as the law and order. So the same law and order you might not like at times, that same law and order protects not only me but also you and other persons as well. You understand? So I hope you understand what I'm saying. Yes, I know the situation can be embarrassing at times, but I think it is best to comply. Some of the times, viewers and subscribers, me see some videos on social media, and when me really do some research about the incident, me get to find out that the police tell a person to stop because they might ask them certain questions, or they might think that they are a certain person they are looking for. And then at the same time, when they really and truly check out what's going on, the person end up don't comply with the police, probably I'll assault the police. In some of the cases, when we see some of the videos when we see on social media, they end up assault the police or do something else, put themselves in problem with the law when they have no form of trouble with the law whatsoever. But because of them feeling embarrassed by the police stopping them and asking them to do certain things, them end up put themselves in trouble with the law by resisting and at some of the videos when we say assault the police. You understand? Look, let me tell you something, this might not be the case about the video that I'm talking about. You understand? Because really and truly I don't know what really happened, but at the same time still, as I say, I think it was best for the person to comply. But you can let me know what you think. You understand what I'm saying to you? One of the quickest things for me to look on a police officer and prove to a police officer and say, listen, I am not the person you're looking for. So here's my name, here's my ID, here's me this, here's me this, here's me that. I'm going to give you every document. I'm going to depend my way. I saw me look on life. So me now going to tell you, my viewers and subscribers, the bad thing to do. You see me I said to you, if me get catch not wearing a mask, if I get catch not wearing a mask, am my fault. Me not have nobody to blame. So therefore, if I'm supposed to pay a fine or a ticket or whatsoever to happen, I just saw it go. You understand? But at the same time, if them come and say, hey, what's this, what's that, who is you, so and so, I am going to comply. And I would advise you, my viewers and subscribers, to do the same. I know that some of you might say, hey, Dancehall, skilla, fool, you see at all. But I'm just giving the best advice as I see it and as I can. You understand? I consider myself to be a fair person of viewers and subscribers, you see? So I tell you what I think, you see me? But I would like to know what you think as well, you see me? So I'm going to ask you just a few questions, you see me? Based on some of the things that you saw in these pieces of videos, you see me? Do you think these pieces of videos show something that is considered to be police brutality? And do you think that the police officers did the right thing or they are doing a good job, you see me? And you can also let me know if you think the police was wrong or if the person was wrong. You understand? You see me? I say because these things are some questions that are being asked, and these things are some things that are being talked about on social media as well. You understand? So may I point out these little points, and you can tell me what to think about those little points that I basically ask like it's a question. You see me? I say, alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about the incident that I talked to you about in this video. You see me? I put together pieces of videos together and presented to you so that you can have an understanding as to what had happened when it comes on to this incident. This incident is being talked about on social media, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall, skilla entertainment.